Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. I just did a video on this and I might have been confused about he had the wall all connected together. And what I did, I made the wall longer but just extended some lines. So I'm going to take the Smart Fill tool and fill in some of these lines. I'm going to nudge them up so I have that wall. And then I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to go to Object and group them together. So instead of making it look like it's going along the line, I thought maybe the wall is going along the hillside and the wall needs to stay level. Now my wall isn't, whoop, I thought I grouped it together. Oh, that's not the real one. So my wall isn't as long as his original line, but what we can do now is we can make this wall appear that it's going up and down on these lines. And all we have to do that, let's zoom in here and make sure, see how, well, first of all, I'm going to turn this into a hairline so they'll all be kind of equal. And I'm going to take that corner and put it right there on that node. Doesn't look like it is. Let's zoom in here a little bit. And get the 4-point cross and put it right there. Now what we can do is just make this wall, make it look like it's taller. So we could do that right. That's not going to work right there, but we could very easily fix that by taking the shape tool. We'll have to ungroup it for just a second. Select it, go to Object Group and Ungroup, and grab that node and bring it down. And actually bring it down a little bit further, and then we can just take away that line. And it looks like the wall is going on a hillside. And then that way we can not worry about, let's Control G to group that we're going to misshape these buildings or these, pillars. So we're going to put one right there. Maybe let's make them a little bit bigger. And let's put it right there. And we can do the exact same thing on here. Just go to Object Group and Ungroup for just a second and take our nodes and make it look, get the shape tool, and then just holding down the control button so it'll be perfect. So you could even go past it quite a bit because we're just going to delete it. Now we need to get rid of the interior lines of the wall itself. So we're just going to take our virtual segment delete key and delete these lines. And then just kind of delete the fragments of inside there. So it looks like the pillar castles are in front of the other wall. And then just do that again over here. Or, extend the wall out. And then that way it looks like, let's take away this line. And it looks like it's following the hillside. Just another idea instead of what I did on the first part where we actually curved the whole wall. Just depending on what look you want, this would look like it's going along the hillside. And then just do it one more time. You could actually take that exact same one, make a copy and, put it over here. And, you would actually want to copy it and then hold down the control button so it's equal. And then just do the same thing. Just delete those inner lines. Delete these two lines. You want to leave the hillside. Take your virtual segment delete key and delete all these lines, the little fragments, the little lines. I'm just using the virtual segment delete key and just swiping through them. Anything it touches, it's going to delete, like I didn't get that first one. And then, that tower is taller, but it should be. They're still equal. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.